Welcome to Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealership. My name is Scott Vaughn. Today we have a 2015 and a half Leisure Travel Unity. It is the 24CB, which is a corner bed. It's on a Mercedes chassis. It's got 18,000 miles on it. What's nice about these is that these are full paint. This one actually has a clear bra on it as well. You got the nice power awning up there for you. We come this way. Additional storage. Nice thing about leisure travel is that these are all stall built in Canada. Lots of storage on this side over here. Of course, all of these lock. Come around this side. You've got your windows here that actually come out from the bottom, so when it's raining, you can actually get a cross breeze without having to worry about water coming into your house. Big backup camera. That's your dump take section here, along with your exterior shower. Propane fill, everything's right here in one area. It makes things a lot easier to do when you're trying to hook up or dump at a dumping station. Shore power's right here. Got your one slide on the Unity. It's got a slide topper. Help protect that slide with any of those foreign objects getting in there. All right, let's go on inside. Hey guys, welcome back inside this beautiful Leisure Unity. If you notice, it's got the ultra leather seats, built again on a Mercedes chassis. It's got navigation, 188 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque, which is really nice. Both these seats do totally turn around, so you can actually have a nice interaction with everyone in the house if you needed to. This has got just tons of storage. Again, leisure travel is very kind of a specialty built coach. You got your one slide on this side for your dinette. That does make into a bed if you needed it to. In the galley here, we got the Corian countertops, 2 burners, a nice residential style faucet, nice huge deep sink. Your pantry slides out here. Pretty ingenious how they make all this stuff in this one small area. Make it very user-friendly. Your fridge. What's cool about this one is it actually has a separate size for your freezer, so it doesn't frost up as fast as it will on one that's in a single unit. You got your microwave along with a convection oven as well. More storage. In here you've got your tub style shower. Nice skylight for natural light. Now if you're a little taller, you can get in there as well. Nice big size corner bed with a nice flat screen TV. Tons of storage up there as well. This actually only has 14 hours on the generator, so thank you for watching this video. If there's anything I can help with, please don't hesitate to get a hold of Scott Vaughn out here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Thank you.